This is a dua for my Nigerian Muslims. If you're watching this, I ask you, please raise your hands with me right now. Don't scroll, don't delay. Nigeria needs this. Let's make this dua together from our hearts. Bismillah, Ya Allah. Bless Nigeria, Ya Rab. Pour down mercy upon this beautiful land. Heal it from corruption, injustice, division and poverty. Replace its pain with peace, its fear with safety, its hardship with ease. Strengthen its people in iman, in unity, in truth. Protect the youth from harm, misguidance and hopelessness. Guide its leaders to righteousness and compassion. Let the light of Islam shine across every corner of this nation. Ya Allah, grant Nigeria protection from evil, strength to rise above every trial, and the guidance to walk your straight path. Ameen. Now, my brothers and sisters, mention your country in the comments and I will make a dua for it in the next video, insha'Allah. And as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, whoever directs someone to good will have a reward like the one who does it. So as I've shared this dua with you, you must now share it with others. Don't be stingy with khair. Don't hold back good. The small act may become your ticket to Jannah, bi'idhnillah. Comment your country below and type, insha'Allah. Jazakum Allahu khairan.